watching these helicopters since I was a kid. I absolutely love them. Every time I see them, I still get googly-eyed, like I'm still 5 years old, and I'm 32 now. So I shot and missed a big 8-point back over here on this side. This is Area 29 on the backside of Hooper Field in Ozark. A lot of planted pines back here. You can see the road is bumpy as all get out. Lots of planted pines and stuff like that. So it's full and rich of deer. It's just a matter of trying to catch them slipping through, coming up to these food plots, which are pretty poor right now. We ain't had a whole lot of rain, so they're not growing like they should be. A lot of acorns are dropping those, so that's what I'm banking my money on right now, is all the acorns. Trying to find a water oak or a live oak or something like that, trying to sit near it. That's probably what I'll do in the morning. Area 18, there's a lot of oaks around a food plot, and it's kind of coming in, but it's not where I want it. But lots of acorns, lots of tracks, lots of signs. So probably try there in the morning. But let's go meet up with Dad. We'll hit you back whenever we get into the shooting blind. All right, guys. So we're back in the same food plot that we set at Thursday afternoon and last night. Never got a shot last night like we wanted to. The closest one came in about 50 yards, but last light, I didn't feel comfortable taking that shot. So today I got Pops with me. So we're set up on the top side of the food plot. We changed up our tactics a little bit. Both times I've sat here, they've hovered around this top area. So we're tucked up in some pines. We're going to try to see if we can catch them slipping from the baby pines over here to our right, or from the hardwood bottom coming across. So it's supposed to be a good afternoon. The barometric pressure is up. Feeding time, minor feeding time is fixing to kick off. So maybe, hopefully, we'll tag team one. That's our hopes today. So stay tuned.
loved the way she was bobbing her head, and I was like, she's made us. I was like, she's fixing
No,
I was like, she's fixing a fucking block.
Hell, she won but 20, 25 yards.
Okay, because I spread the needle.
Did you put the...
I put it right behind her shoulder. The 20 was like midway, and the 30 was about right where her elbow came out.
Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, you nailed her. I heard it, the whack.
My heart was sitting there just going, that's all I could hear.
Oh, yeah, good times.
You think she's done it?
All right, guys. So a little update. We did not get the doe. After I shot, I ended up going over there looking for my bolt. Could not find it. I have no idea where it went. Somewhere down in the woods. And you can hear it right after right after she got hit. You can hear it like hitting the trees. No blood, no hair, no nothing. So we went back, looked at the video, tried to slow it down as much as we could, and you could see that I hit her pretty high, as you can see in the picture that I showed, and you can see the ripple on her back. The best guess I have is I jerked or flinched or something right there the last second. I guess I really don't know. Lesson learned: don't rush the shot. No matter what, don't rush the shot. So we'll try it again Wednesday or Thursday afternoon. We'll probably go back over there to sit. And Dad also posted his side of the whole hunt and everything. You could check it out at Jawbone Outdoors. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed every minute of it like we did. We love bringing you guys the outdoors and all. Something I've been doing since I was a kid. So I absolutely love it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. That way, you don't miss an episode of us just just sitting around in the woods. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Appreciate it.